So I almost broke my phone. I almost broke my phone, y'all. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Got some hot pops for my son. I didn't really come to get that much, but let me tell you, I got my Fiji water so I can stay on point with that. My son some snacks, Gatorade, Hot Pockets, some Chips Ahoy cookies, and some resistance bands. I bought some resistance bands on Amazon, but they cheap. I need the stretchy rubber band cone. I'm finding you. No, not today.
You want to sign up for the Target Circle?
I already have Target Circle.
Thank you.
No, ma'am.
I don't know if you want this water or this Gatorade on a bag or not.
The water, yes. The Gatorade, no. Y'all, tell me why I just left Target, right? So I just left Target. On my way pushing my basket to the car, this dude stopped me and was like, hey, me and my uncle, we trying to get, you know, some gas money. We live in Greenspoint, which Greenspoint is not even that far away from where I was, but it's like, I'll say probably at least 10-15 minutes. So I reached in my car. I mean, I didn't have no cash in my purse, so I reached in my car. Well, he did help me. He was like, do you need help putting anything in the car? And I was like, yeah, you can put the Gatorades in the car or whatever. Because, my nigga, if I'm giving you some dollar bills, then you can at least put the Gatorade. But he ain't mine. So I seen him meet up with his, after I gave him the money, I gave him a 10 because I had dollars, but I only had like a couple dollars. So I was like, well, I got the 10s. I don't mind giving, okay, it's a $10 bill, whatever. So I gave it to him. But he didn't go back to his car. He was looking for his uncle. And the Target that I go to, it's a Specs Liquor close by. Like, basically, you can just walk across the parking lot and get to it. I see them walking towards the fucking liquor store. Which, you know how, when you give money to, I'm gonna say homeless people, which I don't even really think they be homeless. They just stand on the corner asking for money. When they ask for money, in my mind, I'm not like, do they really need it? I mean, I'm just gonna give it to them. If God put it on my heart to give it to them, then I'm going to give it to them because, I mean, I did my part. What they do with the money is no longer my concern. I gave them. They gave me a sob story. You can't just walk around this world thinking that everybody lying. So if they lied to me, if he lied, then cool. But I mean, I'm just like, that's fucked up that you would do that. But I mean, hey, shit, it's the weekend. If you needed motherfucking beer money, nigga, just say that. I still probably would have gave it to your ass. Like, okay, you want to turn up, get beer, then go ahead, do your thug thizzle. But I just want to tell y'all, it ain't no big deal. My tattoo is still peeling. It look ugly right now. I don't even think I showed y'all, but it look ugly. It's peeling. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all that because you ain't supposed to block this intersection, big baby. But I just want to tell y'all that because it just happened. But I'm on my way home now. Today is Friday, April 9th. I can't keep up with the days, y'all. If I had a regular 9-to-5 job, then I probably will keep up with the days. Because, nigga, you know, when you work a 9-to-5 job, you gonna know what day it is because you ready for your off days. But I'm just on my way home. I went to Target, got a few things I'm pretty sure I showed y'all, and then now I'm about to drop the stuff off. Why did I come back this way? Because school just let out. But I'm about to drop this stuff off, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store because I want to get some fruit. Like, I'm a snacker. I'll be snacking in the middle of the night, so if I could just reach for some grapes or something like that, then I think I'll be good. I'm about to go get me something to eat. Today is Sunday. I don't know. I can't see. Bitch, you scared it. All the motherfucking trash. I got some of it out the other day, but this is all my shit right here in the front, so I can't blame that on nobody because nobody really sit in the front seat, so that's all me. So we about to clean, okay? I need to clean inside of here. Oh shit, this penny got stuck. This thing is full of change and it's heavy as fuck. Like, I put all my changes in here. But this up in here, I ain't got time for this today. Maybe I can get the receipts and shit and the other change. But I had that's deodorant, y'all. I tried to like keep a deodorant in my car and it melted. I forgot that I live in fucking Texas, and you know, it melted on me. So I need to really clean that. I don't feel like dealing with it right now, but I might as well, right? And get out this trash and shit. It's hot as fuck, and I just broke my damn toenail, so I'm about to go get that fixed. See, this is why your boyfriend's supposed to go get your car fucking clean. Cause I mean, I don't mind doing it myself, but damn, can I get a break sometime? And I'm using this Armor Original Protector Spray. I got the air all the way up because it is hot as fuck today. Today it is. My car say 88 degrees. So And I got this blunt effect spray. This is good luck. Let me just swirl this up. I just don't know how many water bottles I fucking had in there. That shit was ridiculous. But I broke my damn toenail. So I'm about to go get my shoe feet. I was gonna go home, but since that happened, I gotta get it fixed today, because baby, I'm gonna walk around with a chipped ass toenail and not my head. Okay? I cannot do it. Oh my gosh, I need this air on my ass. Ooh, this shit feels so good. Ooh. Like, summertime is not my motherfucking favorite season at all, because I live in Texas. Now if I lived in California, if I moved back home to California, best believe that's my favorite, because it's hot, but it's not too hot. And then at night it cools down because we by the water. Like, what to say? Only unleaded. Only one. Bitch, how do gas stations be running the gas? I don't understand that. Y'all be having the trucks come all the damn time. Makes no sense. I gotta go inside because this motherfucking raggedy ass gas station about to piss me the fuck off. Oh my god. Like, why are your shit not working? Talking about please see cashier. I don't want to see the motherfucking cashier. I want to pump my gas at the pump and get the fuck out of here. Alright, I'm about to go in here. Y'all, I know I'm looking busted right now, but I'm about to do my lashes. Well, I'm going to attempt to do them because I ain't never do them on myself. I'm not using like the... I'm not using the professional glue. I'm gonna be using... Oh, shit. This eyelash glue. It's just like... temporary. It's not like, you know, the other glue for the lash extensions individuals. And then I got some Fat Lash. These are 0.7s. I'm gonna do, of course, fans. I don't know what length I want to do though, because I don't want it to be super long, but then I don't want it to be short, and I want it to be wispy. So I think I'm gonna mix 16 and 18 together. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then this one has shorter lengths, 12, 10, 9. And I'll be doing my mama lashes. That's why most of them are freaking gone. But I'm going to attempt to do it. I got my little tweezers. And then I have my fan. to kind of dry them. And I know it sounds like I have low energy right now, but I do, because I'm just like in a funk right now and I look busted, but I'm just really not feeling the best mentally. But I know that's gonna go away soon. But yeah, let's get started. All right, so my lashes are on. I just want them to be like a little natural, not so much. I want them to be more natural and not so big and crazy. So that is them.